How's it going, everyone? So if you've grown anything in a pot before and forgot to water it for a while, you know that it is incredibly hard to make sure that your potting wet gets really moist and thoroughly wet again and doesn't just roll off and drain out the sides. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys a really quick and easy way just to make sure that the whole root ball is thoroughly wet when your potting mix has dried out. Okay, so for this, all you have to do is get a big bucket of water that can hold a water and also make sure that it can fit in the pot. Then basically all you do, get your container and just completely submerge it under. And you'll see all these bubbles appearing. That's what you want. That means that the water is displacing the air inside of the soil and is thoroughly re-wetting the soil. So then you just want to leave it in here, make sure that it stays under. So then you just want to make sure you leave it in here for at least 5 minutes. So now all you have to do is take it out and then let the water drain away. So there you go, guys. I'll pretty much leave it at that. If you like that video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to check out other videos like that, there'll be a playlist just here that you can click or tap on. And lastly, if you want to subscribe, my face will be popping up around here in a second, so you can click on that and that way you stay updated whenever I post a new video here on YouTube. You can come along and check it out. Also, just forgot, if you want to leave any comment, suggestions or questions, or if you just want to say g'day, pop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, I hope you liked this video and I hope you're all having a cracker of a week, and I'll catch you all next time.